How's it going, guys? This is Tyler Hargrave from Jay's Alarms and Car Audio on eBay. You see us out there selling all the Jeep kits, Ford, Dodges, all that good stuff. But today we're going to be working on a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is going to be the remote control right here. So if you have a remote control that works like this is from 2007 through 2017, so 10 years. We send you a kit where you actually push that lock button 3 times and it'll start your vehicle right up. So in that kit, you're going to receive a T-harness. This is this right here. You're also going to receive our module, this right here. What I'm going to go ahead and do, I already took it all apart for you guys to show you how easy it is to hook up. You do have to take this panel off here. This is going to be a panel right here. You do have to use a Torx underneath to take that one screw out. And you're going to have to get like a little pry bar, butter knife to actually pry this out, okay? Once you get that out, we made a connection for you. This is where you're plugging in right here. This is called a VS2 plug, okay? Plugs in right here. You do want to be delicate with this module. If you start wiggling it too much or pulling it, you could damage it. So we just like to tell you to take this little one out first right here. Pops right out. And then squeeze back there and then pull out gently, okay? You don't want to shake it up too much, okay? So that's your VS2 plug from our harness is plugging in there. This is your original plug that we already plugged out, unplugged. So like I said, you're unplugging this. You're pushing this little tab down with your thumb, okay? And you're gonna plug that right into our VS1. So VS1, VS2. Then you go over to our T-harness. You got your MS1, MS2, okay? You're gonna go ahead and plug that in. Black goes into black, blue goes into blue. See here? Real simple. At that time, you're gonna have a solid red light. Solid red light there. It's a little bright out here, might be hard to see. At that point, you're gonna insert your key. Turn it forward to your dash lights are on. It's gonna start flashing green. Flashing green, you're gonna remove your key. And you're gonna hit the unlock button on the remote control. Unlock, turns to a solid green, turns off. Now you're done with remote start. That's just how simple it is to install, guys. You're gonna hit the lock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The module's gonna turn red and start flashing green. The vehicle will start. While the vehicle's running, it's gonna continue to flash green to let you know that it's running, okay, guys? After that, what you're gonna do is just zip tie this up underneath your dash and put all your panels back together and you're done, just like that. So remember, to turn it off, push the lock button 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. Just that simple, guys, with our exclusive kit for your 07 through 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Find us on eBay, Jay's Alarms and Car Audio. We have them for all different vehicles, Fords, Dodge, Jeeps, so definitely find us. And then if you have any issues at all during the installation, don't hesitate to call us. We have phone support, unlike a lot of other people out there. Call us at 559-264-9111. Again, 559-264-9111. Thank you.